my channel. I'm Jesenia, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. In today's video, we are unboxing my Young Living order for the month of October, and I like to call it my subscription box, because with anything else that you subscribe to, you usually get a box of it, unless you're subscribed to like a magazine, but you'll get like a box of things like the Yogi box or like the Earth box or Vitacost. I like to call it my subscription box because it's a box and I subscribe to it to get it every month. Let's dig in. I also used my reward points and I got a quick order of things that I wanted to buy, and we'll dig into those goodies as well. For the month of October, I got a lot of Thieves products. The first thing that I got, which is already out of the box, I already unboxed everything, is the Thieves Ultra Concentrated Laundry Soap. Now, I absolutely love this soap. It is plant-based derived. Those of you who are not part of Young Living that don't know that, it's ultra concentrated. I made a video where I double the amount of the Thieves laundry soap. I'll leave the link above and below. Definitely go check it out because you could save a lot of money with diluting it because it is ultra concentrated, which means that you can dilute it. In the video, I also show you the concentration of the bubbles even after you dilute it. Now definitely go check that video out. You save 25 cents per a load, guys. That is amazing. And I just really love this soap. It is free from dyes, SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, if you didn't know what that was, petrochemicals, formaldehydes, phosphates, synthetic perfume, and optical brighteners. I just absolutely love this. The fragrance of it is very mild. It's not strong for those of you who are used to those scents, but I really like the smell. And you could always add essential oils into your washing machine as well. And I just love that it's in a mini bottle. I don't know why, I'm interested in weird things like that. I'm gonna place that over here for you guys to see it. It's plant-based derived, plant-based ingredients. Are many chemicals that people have in their homes within their laundry detergent, their shampoos and conditioners, their soaps, their lotions, as well your cleaning products that you clean your whole house with. Changing your products to plant-based derived ingredients is so much healthier for you, and it's gonna benefit your whole family. And why would you wanna live with those chemicals that disrupt everything in your body, essentially? I definitely talk about this. Check out my Think Dirty app video where I go to the store. I go to Target, I believe. I don't know if I went to another store, but I definitely went to Target. I scanned a bunch of mainstream things that people buy, and I tell you how dirty it is. I also tell you what it interrupts in your body, and it's really, really interesting. And we really need to be our own doctors and take care of our health. Enough of that. The next thing I got is the Thieves Household Cleaner. The Thieves Household Cleaner you could use to clean everything in your house. Now, this is not the only thing I use. I also use vinegar, baking soda, and some other essential oils, but you essentially really only need to use this. I clean my bathroom with this. I mop my floor with this. I mop my sink with this. I clean my sink with this. I clean all my countertops. Again, this is also ultra concentrated, and you only need a capful. And you dilute it in a glass amber bottle or a cobalt blue bottle with the rest with water. This will last you for a while. It's 22 bucks around. I have my other household cleaner and it's about this much full, but I ordered this because I do not want to run out of the household cleaner in the middle of cleaning because I clean a lot. This is also ultra concentrated. It has all the same oils that derive in Thieves, and then it has other plant-based ingredients. On the back of it, it'll tell you solution dilution ratio. It'll tell you the use, the part water and the part cleaner. It has most cleaning application, part water 30, part cleaner 1. Heavy degreaser, part water 15, part cleaner 1. Light degreasing, part water 50, cleaner 1. Glass 50 or 100, part water, and then part cleaner 1. Part it and all that, I just dilute it in a bottle, in a glass amber bottle, and just do 1 part cleaner, and I just use that for everything, and it works just as good. but if you wanted that information. My friend Kim did order from me again, and she ordered Blue Spruce 15 ml of oregano and 15 ml of lemon, but I already gave her her products. Again, you get the Essential Edge, which tells you what's going on in the Young Living world, and I like it because it's like a little newspaper, and it just tells you different ideas for blends, and it tells you the ranking qualifications, who's ranking up, and my favorite part of the newsletter is the recipe on the back. It's definitely my favorite part. I actually save all these. And then to follow, the last product I ordered was this Thieves Spray. Now this is like essentially similar to like a hand sanitizer spray, and it has the same ingredients of the Thieves, which is the lemon, the cinnamon, the clove, rosemary, and eucalyptus. And the reason why I bought this was I'm in school for acupuncture, and I intern in a clinic at the school, and I want to spray down the doorknobs and the counters with this. This is the season for everyone to get sick, and I just like to make sure I cover my bases. I also, with the household cleaner, will spray all my doorknobs in the house too with that too. So it's great because it's little, it's compacted, and I could put it in my bag that I take with me to clinic. Since my friend Kim did order from me, I got a promo oil and I got oregano. And this white label means that it is a vitality oil. A vitality oil just means that you can ingest it. It's FDA approved that you can ingest it. Oregano, you know, as a spice. With this oregano vitality, you can add to your dishes. I know there's a lot of things with oregano with helping supporting your immune system and other things, so definitely look it up. It's a really interesting oil. I'm not too sure what I will use with the oregano oil because it's really strong for me personally, but that is all the items that I got for this month's order. And then we're gonna go into my quick order that I got with my reward point. With your monthly subscription box with Young Living, you get reward points, and you get a certain amount of points, and a certain amount of months decipher how much percentage of points that you get from the things that you order. Up to this month, I have accumulated $89 of reward points, and yes, that is $89. So you get 89 points, you get $89. Which is amazing. $89. I ordered a bunch of things that I wanted for the fall season. I tried really hard to save up my points. I wanted to save up my points, but internally I just couldn't do it and wanted all these goodies. The rewards program is really awesome, and I love it, and I accumulate points really fast. You wouldn't even realize how fast you accumulate points, but when I was like, oh my goodness, I have 89 points, it happened really, really fast. And it's so great because it's a way to give back, and you also get 24% off as a wholesale member. Enough of that. I just wanted to tell you, if you don't know about the rewards program, how it goes and a little bit about it. But let's go right into the quick order and see what I ordered this month. I did get another Essential Edge because I ordered something. They always send one. For that, you could always give someone to read it if they like, if they're interested about Young Living. Also, with my order, they gave me the holiday gift guide, which I was really excited because it just shows you everything that you can buy for your family and loved ones for the holiday season. And they have bundles and packages of things that cost, it's better to buy them in bundles and packages because it costs cheaper. And really, this is the time to order things now because come November, December, things are going to be becoming out of stock, as well as shipping is going to take a long time just because they'll be shipping out a lot of products. This is a good thing to show people that you want to become members or that are interested in Young Living too, or want to buy things for their family. So that is the holiday guide. Now let's get into the products that I ordered. I ordered another Denturone Plus Thieves toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. They also have Aroma Bright, which is more of a sweeter flavor, and this is more of like a peppermint, stronger flavor. I like this one better. I don't really like the sweet tasting taste of the toothpaste. I bought another one. I'm about a quarter way done with my toothpaste now. Again, I like to back things up and make sure that I don't run out of it and wind up buying another brand from a different store, because I really love this brand, and it actually happened to me and I wound up buying my Dr. Bronner's peppermint toothpaste that I used to love, and I can't use it anymore. I mean, I can use it, but I just choose not to. I don't like the flavor anymore, and this has definitely changed my life. Now we're just gonna go into oils. I got a bunch of oils for my quick order. I got cedarwood, which smells really grounding. Some people think it smells like cat pee, but I really like the smell. I really like the oil. It smells really grounding, and I bought it. All the oils that I bought this month is for fall blends. I am making a fall blend oil video. Stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe to get the recipes for those. Following up, I got another bergamot. I absolutely love all the citrus oils. This is just the Vitality one because I believe you either buy the Vitality or you buy a 15 ml. I'm not sure, but I bought it in Vitality because I like to add bergamot to my water sometimes. I also got 2 pine 15 ml oils. And the reason why I bought this was because I absolutely love the smell of pine. I am obsessed. In Arizona, when you go up north to Flagstaff, it smells like pine trees. And I'm so obsessed with the smell of pine. I just love it. And when you add bergamot to this blend, it smells phenomenal. Now, I love this during Christmas time because I love the smell of pine, and I make a hydrosol and I spray it all over my room before I go to bed. It is so amazing. I bought 2 15 mils because I know pine is gonna run out quick when the holidays come. Last up, the last 2 oils that I got was orange and ginger. I got a 50 ml orange. Oh, I just love the smell of all the citrus oils. They just smell so amazing, and they're so uplifting, and they just really help support positivity. And then I got ginger. It doesn't have the most pleasant smell, but I bought it for my fall blend recipes as well. You could use this as a vitality oil. That is everything that I got from my quick order. I got a toothpaste, and then I got 6 oils, and I got 4 15 ml oils. That is a really great deal. I got a lot of oils. I am super excited to use my pine. I kind of want to use it now, but I want to save that holiday smell for after Halloween passes on. Guys, I just really love the seasons, and I love really diving deep into all the festivities and the smells and the aromas. That's just me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the things that I bought this month. Definitely hit that like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel to join the family and to see other videos that I do on my channel. Watch them and hit that notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video, or I'll see you guys in my next Young Living Order video. Bye guys. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome